Hello YouTube. Hope you're doing well and staying safe. Let's buy a gift card with a cryptocurrency, any type, and actually not any type, some type of them from bitrefill.com and then use it in amazon.com. Okay, but before that, let's talk a little bit about the cryptocurrencies. As you know or may know, nowadays, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies out there that you can see in the coinmarketcap.com. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies. You may have invested on them or may not, but it suggests that you go and study them. It may be helpful for your future. Today, I will be using Dogecoin to buy the gift card, and you will be needing a digital wallet. Actually, you can be having it in your mobile or your PC or Mac. Let's hit the atomicwallet.io. This is the wallet that I'm going to use. If you don't have it, it's actually a good wallet. I've been using it. I had no problem with that. So you can hit the download here or here. Let's check it out. Okay, you will be selecting your platform. If you're going to use a Windows, Mac, if you're using your phone, your iPhone, Android, whatever, you can download the APK file directly from the website, or you can use the Google Play Store. And if you're using the Windows like me, you can hit it and yeah, you can download the file, and after that you should go install it, and then you would be able to go for the rest of the process of this video. But I will pick this subject on later on another video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so you should hit bitrefill.com, and then you will see the sign up or login link over here at the top right most corner. So I have created a account before, so I will get a login. I will log into my account. Then you will need to choose your gift card where you are going to use it. There will be Amazon, there will be Google Play, Nike, everything. So as I'm living in India, I'm going to use the Amazon.in. Then over here in the page of selection, the amount of the gift card and the cryptocurrency, we will be provided with the options with dollars, euro, bitcoins. Then what is it? There is Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, and Dogecoin. I'm going to um, spend some Dogecoins here, and then the amount should be selected. There are like 250 rupees for me, 500. I will choose the 5,000 rupees and then add it to cart. But before that, there is this guideline here how to redeem the code. So afterwards, we will be needing to go to the Amazon.in, add gift card, and then paste the gift card code over there. So add one item to cart and select the checkout, as I'm not going to select any other gift cards. So over here, there is this amount of 5,000 rupees, and the Dogecoin is the payment that I've selected. I'm going to select the Dogecoin here again. So we will be provided with the payment method here. The QR code is available here to scan and pay by your wallet. I'm going to use the Atomic wallet, so I'm going to copy the address over here, and the payment will be 134.61 Dogecoins, and this is the address. Okay, let's go to the Atomic Wallet. Here under the Dogecoin, I will select the send to send a specific amount to that um, wallet. Okay, let's have it here. The address will be this part, so I will copy and paste it here. The amount, I will paste it here. Double check. The network fee will be 1 Dogecoin and I will be sending it. So to confirm it, I should uh, enter the password. Let's confirm it. Okay. After finishing that, you will be prompted with the notification of payment detected, and there is this message of we will send you an email and confirmation with the invoice. Then after confirming the payment, after a while we will be receiving the code, and then we will be entering it into the Amazon page. So before that, when we head to the Amazon, we need to sign in. Here we will sign in. Okay, here you will see the gift card section, or you might go to the add gift card. As we have seen it over here that was mentioned. There's a link how to redeem here. Amazon add gift card. We may go straight to that section, which will be here. Then you will be having this option of adding your uh, redeem code, or you might simply go after logging into your Amazon account. You will be heading to this section and then add gift card to Amazon Pay balance. Either way, you will see the same page. So let's wait for our redeem code. Okay, after a while, the page got reloaded with this notification, the order completed. So there is this amount of gift card that we have selected, and there is this click to on sale. It will be revealing the gift card amount. Okay, the gift card code is this, and there is this pin code. We will be selecting this part, the gift card code. Let's go to the gift card voucher code. I will paste it here and add to your balance. Yay! We have 5,000 rupees in our balance. Now we can head to the market and select the stuff and pay it by our balance. Hope the video was informative and helpful for you. If you have any questions, please ping me up.